you go. See, that's great. Oh, stink. I'm gonna need some other colors. So there you have it, a handcrafted pencil. Now, am I saying you should go out and make your own pencils? No, this is a dumb project, but it is a lot of fun. If you really want to have your own project and your own pencil and done your way, this is kind of fun. And the leads that I have are a little bit harder than normal, so they're a little bit more enjoyable for coloring. You can pressure your color in a little bit better than the ones you can generally buy at the store. So that's why I'm making a full set. Yes, this is the only one I have so far, but I am making more because I like to do some coloring. If you did like this video or would like to see more information on exactly how it's done and taking this through step by step and what I was thinking and why I did it that way, I have an entire channel devoted to the how-to of hand tool woodworking, Wood by Wright 2. And I'll leave a link to that down below and up in the cards so you can go there as well. There I'll actually be going through this project step by step and talking through what I'm doing, why I'm doing it, and what in the world I was thinking. So I hope you like this project. This is a fun one for me and one that I've been wanting to do for a while. I actually bought these leads almost 3 years ago intending to do this project, and I'm finally getting around to making my set of pencils. And eventually I will have my full set and we will be having all sorts of fun here in the shop. So if you did like the video, please hit like, comment, share, subscribe, ring the bell. You know, all of those things that YouTube tells you to do. They really do help out the channel, and thank you for that. If you'd like to help us reach a larger audience, that's the best way you can do that. Also, if you'd like to help out monetarily, you can help out on Patreon as well as becoming a member here. You can click the join bell down below, and those help us do more things, and that's what pays for buying the things that I need to make videos happen. I do not do any sponsors on this channel. I am completely sponsored by you, the viewers, and I'd like to keep it that way so I can talk about what I want to talk about rather than what the sponsors want me to talk about. So I think that's about it for today, and until next time, have a wonderful day. So now that I have artisan crafted pencils, I think I need to do a video on artisan crafted paper so that I can have my own coloring projects